kind of came out of nowhere because the original plan when I came out to the car today was to go through all this and make the alarm work. Well, back up boring pretty quick. So, instead what I'm doing is I am going to take this, replace that. So, we still have, oh, of course, the song ends. Why not? There we go. Got the music back. Now where was I? Oh yes. We're gonna take this, place that, but try and keep this. And before it's demonetized, and we'll turn that down. So the plan is take this, put it in there. Actually pretty close. Just gonna cut those out. Probably put some holes through the side of a vent. Hopefully not. But if we want to retain power, music, whatnot, might have to do that. So what I've done is I've gone on Amazon and picked pretty much all of the cheapest parts that you can find for this, because really, do I want to drop thousands to find out it doesn't work? Not really. So I'm gonna spend 120 bucks, see if we can make it work. So I have that part list. I'll throw it in the video here, maybe down in the description somewhere, doing something, and share that with you. But it's middle of winter in Canada, so I got a little bit of time before I actually want to rip all this out. Actually, it's not all this, it's just this. But shh, I'm being dramatic, alright? Rip all this out. It's all got to come out, you know what I mean? So it's going to take weeks. No, it's actually this is turnkey. And it's not even screwed in. Boom, see. As you can tell, there has been a double bin in here in the past. Wasn't happy with it. So now, some sideways action there for you guys. So now, it's this guy. Alright, so here we have the parts list of everything that I'm going to use to start to build the initial system. I'll upgrade it if it works well, but don't want to spend much, so start off cheap, and then I'll go from there. Upgrade the amp and stuff later on down the road if it works well. As you can see, it's only $49 amp, so don't expect it to be the greatest amp. I just wanted to see if it'll actually do what I want to. So in short, stay tuned, because we're going to make a tablet control everything, including non-factory subwoofers, aftermarket subwoofers. Nothing's pre-installed for this one. So we have pre-installed speaker wires, and that's it. So stay tuned. We'll get it figured out. Alright, so I'm going to get that stuff ordered up. And when I get it, I'm going to show it to you guys. Do some wiring harnesses, wire some stuff up, show you how that's all done. And then, after that, hopefully we have a nice day. I can jump in the car and see how we are going to get that side set up. So till then, like, subscribe, so you'll be able to find out, will he wreck it?